Hello, class! Let's learn tables! Two ones are two. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 tens are 20! Yay!